Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Have you ever noticed that the moment that you reach a certain level of success, you immediately start striving for more? That feeling like no matter what you achieve, it's just never enough. Or maybe you found yourself, despite working hard to build something amazing, sabotaging your own success, which starts to drain your time, your energy, and your focus in ways that make you wonder, why am I doing this to myself? If this sounds familiar, I want you to know that you're not alone. Many of my clients experience this exact same thing, whether it's with weight loss, building a thriving business, creating financial security, or achieving personal goals. The challenge isn't just in getting there. The challenge is in learning how to be satisfied with what you've earned and created without feeling guilty, restless, or compelled to push yourself into even more chaos. So how do you learn to truly appreciate your achievements, honor your hard work, and feel that sense of satisfaction, all while continuing to grow and thrive in your life? That's exactly what we're going to explore today. Let's dive in. Do you struggle with never actually feeling satisfied? Let's start by being honest. How often do you pause and actually recognize everything that you've accomplished? It could be the degrees and the certificates that you've earned, the clients that you've helped, the promotions that you've earned, the money that you've made, the relationships that you've nurtured, or the family you've raised. Have you ever really stopped to truly appreciate it? Far too often, we're taught to chase the next goal, the next milestone, the next level of success. It's almost like society has programmed us to never feel satisfied. We're often led to believe that what we have isn't enough, that we should always be striving for something bigger. But what if I told you that pausing to celebrate your wins is one of the most powerful steps that you can take towards sustaining long-term success? If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.